They've got sisters and brothers fighting against one another. They've got dreams and schemes and build war machines. They're trying to outdo each other. They've got children who are starving, but it don't bother them. Well, they're much too busy getting rich. Think about our little children. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Jesus, save me from this God-forsaken place. They've got satellites and spaceships flying across the universe. Well, they've killed before and they'll kill again, just to say that they were first. They built monuments and churches, things that I ain't seen yet. And they've signed them all with their autograph, in case that you might forget. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Jesus, save me from this God-forsaken place. And Lord, when it's all over, the thing that you should be proud, and there'll be a few who will offer you anything for your job. So when you take me, Jesus, please put me among friends. Don't put me back with those crazy money lovers again. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Jesus, save me from this God-forsaken place. Oh, save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Jesus, save me from this God-forsaken place. Oh, save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Save me, Jesus. Jesus, save me from this God-forsaken place.